How to purchase Roblox gift cards online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily buy Roblox gift cards online. But before we get started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So if you are trying to buy Roblox gift cards, one of the best ways could be you can go on Amazon to buy it. So the first thing you need to do is open up your web browser and simply search for Amazon.com. And once you hit enter, make sure that you are logged into your account first. Now, once you have done that, on the top, you are just going to search for a Robux gift card and hit enter. So as you can see, here are different options that you can buy from. So for example, this one right here, that is $25. So you can just tap on it. Now, once you have done that, you can choose your price from here. So all of the denominations are listed right here. Once you do that, you can just add to cart like this. And once the item is added to your cart, you can simply go to your cart and proceed to checkout. So once you get on the checkout page, you can just scroll down and here you have an option to add your credit or debit card. So just tap on add a card. Here you can just enter your card number, name of your card, which is, it could be Visa, MasterCard, or any of these. Then your expiration date, and then simply tap on add a card. Now once you have added your card, if you have any gift vouchers or gift cards, you can enter the code here to apply for a discount. And once everything is done, you can simply check out of the checkout page and your item will be emailed to you. Because these cards do not come on the physical package, they will be emailed to you and you will just have to enter the card number on your Roblox account to redeem Robux. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If so, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video.